Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Right, today I've got these. They came in a set, they're like little bottles. Very, very sweet. They're my favourites, I like them too. They come with tops, stoppers, and I thought I'd be making shakers with them. I've never made a shaker, not in resin. I've made shaker cards and things like that, shaker boxes, but never in resin. So I'm going to give that a try. I'm going to start trying this year things that I've never ever done, and probably loads of people have done it, but I've never done it. So I thought I'd make a few videos just trying things out that I've never done before. So if you're interested, I'll go and get some resin mixed up and I will see you in a moment. Right, I'm going to try them in alcohol inks first. Don't know how much each bottle's going to take, but one of these shot glasses is about an ounce, I think, 30 mils. I've got out a few reds. Red, purplish red, dark magenta. That I didn't mean dark indigo. I shall get a purple for that. I'm going to try them in alcohol inks first. I'm going to try them a few ways. Right, that's 4 drops in there. That one was the red. This is just the red, so we'll put it in the heart one. Oh, I want to spray it first with 99% isopropyl alcohol. We'll pour it in. This might not be enough. That's not a problem, I've got more. Oh, I guess I was right. I'd like to see them in mica powders as well, you know, like a solid colour. That would be nice. I'll speed you up for the rest because it's just the same thing, but I'll be using the different alcohol inks. As you saw, I had to squeeze them and there were massive big bubbles in them. So we'll just leave all these to set now. Right, let's get these out. I've already done one because I couldn't wait. But I'll show you that later. These I thought would be a nightmare to get out, but if you get it just right, it pops out all right. There we go. Aren't they cute? Right, one of my favourites. We'll take this one out. How is everybody today? Can't remember if I've said that or not. I always like to know how you all are and what you're up to, what crafting projects you're on at the moment. Let me know in the comments. I do like it. In my world, there's nothing better than crafting. Forget all your problems just for a little while. It's lovely, isn't it? Right, stop waffling, Wen. Isn't that cute? That is seriously cute. Now, like I say, because I've put alcohol inks, I don't know whether you'll see any shaker bits, but we will give it a try. I want to do them in clear and put different coloured shaker bits in as well. I wouldn't mind trying them in aquacast, but I don't know whether that would work or not. They are adorable, absolutely adorable. No bubbles, absolutely beautiful. And the top just fits in like that. How cute. You could use these for anything. I'm using them for shakers, but you can use them for anything. Put flowers in them on on your desk if you work in an office. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? They're really very cute. Yeah. Right, I will get some more resin mixed up and we will do them in sparkly clear. Right, there's 200 mils in here. It's not all for them, obviously. I've got another project on the side. I'm going to put some dazzling diamonds in it because all I want is a bit of shimmer but clear nonetheless. I think that's plenty. I've put the tops on the other ones. I'll show you them later. They look really good. I'm going to be making these into either Keyrings bag charms. It's a bag charm for me. That's all I want. This has been through the debubbly. I think that's plenty. I really do. Right, and I'll just speed you up for this because it's just the same again. I'm just going to fill them all, and then once we've demolded these, I might just try some aquacast because I do fancy it. These are all cured now. Let's have a see. I've already demolded the little stoppers. Just want to see what these look like. I left these overnight. I didn't put them in the curing machine. The other ones I've put keyrings on to make it into bag charms. Not much sparkling there, but there will be very, very shortly. I've got an array of glitters and sequins and stuff to put in them. And I'll be using baby oil as well. Okay, right, they're all done now. I'm very, very pleased with them. I'll show you what I've got to put in them. That's a neon one. That's lovely. I like that one. And I've also got a few things here. These are stars. And I think these are butterflies. Yeah, they're butterflies. Aren't they sweet? Very nice. I've got some baby oil in there and I'm just going to stick a few glitters in. Get a pair of tweezers. Now, I don't know what colour. I do love the shape of that bottle. It's fantastic. Right, let's have a look. I'll tell you what, we'll use the black and white on this one. It's never been opened, this. I think this came from Temu. I'll do this first one and then I'll speed you up for the rest. Like I say, it's all going to just be the same. That was easier. Let's see how much I've put in. Oh, I can afford to put a bit more in. I might put a few silver bits in. Have we got any silver stars? Yeah, let's get a few of them. We'll put some baby oil in. Not too full because the bung has to go in. And we do want a bit of a bubble to move everything round. Right, I'm just going to clean around there. These are floor cleaning wipes, so they do have alcohol in. That's why I use them. I think they're fantastic. If anybody's interested, I get them from Home Bargains. Anybody here in the UK. They're only about 89p. They're brilliant. Right, let's give it a bit of a stir. Wipe it again. And I'll put the bung in just to see. And what I've been doing, it's worked on all of them. I've been using the UV resin. I'm using Let's Resin, UV resin. And I've been putting it around the edge. Seems to be holding up fine. But I've also been top coating while I'm doing it, that ridge, bringing it to the edge and top coating all of that. Under the light it goes. Right, it's working fine, but I really wish I'd have not put that much in and a bit more liquid perhaps. So we'll know for the next one. The other ones were a bit more difficult because they had alcohol ink in, didn't they, and I couldn't see through them. I'm just going to fill this up because for some reason they're all sort of empty. And under the light I go with that. Now I'm going to use my rotary tool and I'm going to drill right through the centre there, not too far. I'm going to do that for all of them. And then I've got a keyring, just a normal keyring, and we're going to use a screw pin. It's a very fine drill bit, this. We'll just twist it in. Nice and sturdy it is. You can feel it picking up the thread. Get it as tight as it'll possibly go. Lovely. I'm going to put this on here and then clip it onto that. And I do have some tassels. That's kind of boring. We'll put a nice blue on. That's what the jump ring is for. These are quite big jump rings, so I really don't need the pliers for it. Twist it back. There we go. You got yourself a little shaker keyring. I think if I make them again next time, I will put something heavier in. I mean, that is moving, but something a bit heavier that actually moves and you can see it. So I'm just going to do it to them all, and I will see you back when they're completed. Keyrings are on. They're adorable. Now, I did say I was going to make some in aquacast. I'm going to leave that for a different video. That one's my favourite. I love that. I've picked up the yellow out of the glitter for the tassel, but I love that one. Very, very cute. The gold, I only put a bit in here. I think that's the secret. Just put in a bit, it moves better. Don't much like the shape of that one, the star. This one's nice. Again, I think I put too much in, but it does move, doesn't it? Right, these. That one didn't have anything in it. I've just put baby oil in that because you're never going to see through it. I did put some in this. I put a silver glitter in this, but like I say, with the alcohol ink, I also put glitter in the top piece of stopper. But that's nice, isn't it? This one, I love this one. That does have some glitter in. On a sunny day, which it was when I made it, you can actually see it moving. There's a little chime on that one as well. I thought, seeing as you can't see the shakers in that, this one hasn't got a thing on, and I think too much glitter. But they are lovely, absolutely cute as a button, all of them. Love that one. I love the shape of that one. Love. Pun not intended. Yeah, that's nice. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I don't know if I said it, I got these molds from Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box. Thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers, everybody that views, comments. Thank you very much to my members and my YouTube friends. You're all awesome. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.